Have you ever wondered how a raw goat skin, something that looks rough and unusable, gets transformed into a luxury leather jacket seen in high-end fashion stores? Today, we're taking you deep inside a modern goat leather factory where advanced technology meets traditional craftsmanship to create premium leather products. From ethical goat farming to tanning to final stitching, you're about to witness the complete journey from farm to fashion. And trust me, the process is more fascinating than you think. Welcome to Process Insight. Everything starts at the source, the farm. Modern leather production depends heavily on ethical and sustainable goat farming. Healthy goats produce stronger, smoother, and higher quality hides. Farmers carefully manage balanced nutrition for skin health, clean and stress-free environments, veterinary care, and disease prevention. Why does this matter? Because even small scars or damage on the skin can affect the final leather quality. Premium brands demand flawless goat hides, and that begins right here. In today's world, many farms also follow sustainable practices, ensuring that leather production does not harm the environment or animal welfare. Once the goats are processed, the hides are quickly collected and preserved. Timing is critical here. If the hides are not treated immediately, they can start to decay within hours. To prevent this, salt is applied to remove moisture. Hides are stored in temperature-controlled environments, and bacteria growth is carefully controlled. This stage ensures that the raw goat hide remains intact, clean, and ready for the next step in the leather manufacturing process. Now we arrive at the heart of the process, tanning. This is where raw goat skin is transformed into usable leather. Without tanning, the skin would simply rot, but with the right process, it becomes durable, flexible, and long-lasting. Before tanning begins, the hides go through soaking to remove salt and dirt, liming to loosen hair and unwanted proteins, dehairing and cleaning. This prepares the hide for chemical or natural treatment, one of the oldest methods using natural plant extracts like tree bark. Eco-friendly, produces rich, natural textures, and develops a beautiful patina over time. However, it takes longer and requires skilled handling. A faster, modern process using chromium salts produces soft and flexible leather, ideal for fashion products, and highly efficient for mass production. Most modern factories use this method due to speed and consistency. Some manufacturers combine both techniques, strength from vegetable tanning, softness from chrome tanning. This creates premium goat leather that is both durable and luxurious.
After tanning, the leather is still stiff and needs refinement. Mechanical tumbling and large germs, oil and fat treatments for flexibility. This process transforms leather into soft and smooth, flexible and comfortable, perfect for wearable products. This is what gives goat leather its signature supple feel. Now comes the transformation into a fashion product. Designers create digital and physical jacket patterns, carefully planning every cut. Computer-guided cutting machines, manual adjustments by experts, maximum material utilization. Every piece is cut with precision to maintain consistency and reduce waste. Even a small mistake here can affect the entire jacket. This is where true craftsmanship shines. Pieces are assembled using high-strength stitching, reinforced seams, and detailed hand finishing. Skilled artisans ensure that every jacket meets luxury standards. Attention is given to symmetry, fit and structure, durability under stress. This stage defines whether the jacket feels ordinary or truly premium. Before reaching customers, every jacket goes through finishing, surface polishing, dyeing and coloring, protective coating. Then comes strict quality control, inspection for defects, strength testing, final visual perfection. Only the best pieces make it to the market as high-end leather jackets. Today's leather industry is evolving. Modern factories are adopting water recycling systems, eco-friendly chemicals, and waste reduction technologies. Sustainable leather production ensures that fashion and environment can coexist. Consumers now demand not just luxury, but also responsibility. And that's the incredible journey from a simple goat hide to a luxury leather jacket that represents style, durability, and craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this factory tour and behind-the-scenes process, don't forget to subscribe to Process Insight, like this video, comment below, what factory should we explore next? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.